Hi viewers, liquid stacking and restacking are commonly associated with blockchain-based proof-of-stake (POS) systems. In today's video, we're going to understand what is liquid stacking and restacking. Staking, the key to unlocking your potential. It's important to understand what staking is before we get into the specifics of liquid staking or restaking. Fundamentally, staking is a method by which users may support a blockchain network's security and stability. Users can participate in important network operations by locking a certain quantity of Bitcoin in a specific wallet, often known as a staking wallet or node. Consider staking as a short-term investment in a blockchain or exchange's infrastructure. You can contribute the funds required for a network's operation and future expansion by putting your digital assets into the network wallet. These assets aren't quite inactive, even though they aren't moving throughout the staking time. The network pays you back for your contribution, usually in the form of interest computed as a proportion of the staked tokens. Stakeholders are incentivized through incentives. These payouts represent a computed portion of the network's revenue, commensurate with the amount staked, rather than merely a sign of gratitude. Both stakeholders and the network benefit from the passive income stream, which helps to diversify their holdings of digital assets and gives the network the funding it needs to grow. Liquid staking, harnessing the benefits of staked tokens for maximum profit. By enabling users to profit from their staked tokens while preserving liquidity, liquid staking transforms the conventional staking procedure. A derivative token, like stETH, is what you get when you engage in liquid stacking. It is a representation of the original ETH that you staked. This novel method improves proof-of-stake blockchain's capital efficiency. By eliminating the usual lockup times and enabling instantaneous unstaking, it promotes a more resilient and secure network. There are several platforms that offer liquid stacking, including Lido, one of the popular liquid stacking platforms allowing users to stake ETH and receive stETH in return. Rocket Pool, another platform for liquid staking with ETH, where users can receive RPL, Rocket Pool token, after staking. Binance provides liquid staking services through Binance P2P, Anchor, Stader, and pStake. These are platforms on the BNB chain that offer liquid staking services. To put it another way, liquid staking is similar to depositing money into a savings account, where interest is still earned while you may utilize the money. You often cannot use your Bitcoin for any other purpose while you stake it. With liquid stacking, on the other hand, you receive a unique token similar to a receipt that attests to your investment. This token may be exchanged or used for various financial purposes, all the while your initial investment is rewarded. It's a win-win situation where you get to keep your money working for you in various ways while also supporting the security of the blockchain. These services are provided by platforms like Lido, Rocket Pool, and Binance, which let you to maximize the value of your digital assets. The impact of restaking on the world of cryptocurrencies. In the world of cryptocurrencies, restaking is a notion that expands on liquid stacking. By enabling users to stake their tokens on several protocols in addition to the primary blockchain, it is possible to secure numerous networks at once. Because it improves the staked asset's capital efficiency, this method has extra benefits. Retaking may be compared to obtaining a bonus level in a video game. It looks like this. Liquid stacking. By depositing your cryptocurrency, such as ETH, into a designated savings account, you may still utilize the token, such as stETH. Like having your cake and eating it too, only instead of receiving rewards, you get to keep spending money. Restaking is the process of taking those stETH and transferring them to a new savings account, possibly with the same bank or another one. Now, your first Ethereum is working harder. It's supporting another bank while simultaneously safeguarding your first one. Making your cryptocurrency work harder and maybe reaping more profits is the goal of restaking. But keep in mind that it's a little riskier, similar to playing that extra level where there are greater rewards for success, but also greater risks for failure. The problem with retaking and liquid staking? Although liquid stacking and restacking have many advantages, they also have risks and difficulties of their own. They are: risk to liquidity. This is a legitimate worry. By enabling staked assets to be used as security for other protocols, liquid stacking solutions like EigenLayer seek to alleviate the liquidity issue. However, the assets may still be regarded as locked throughout the staking time. Complexity. In order to guarantee liquidity and security, the implementation of liquid staking and restacking does need complicated smart contracts and advanced risk management techniques. Cutting hazards. In proof-of-stake networks, slashing is a real possibility, since validators might face penalties for misbehavior or subpar work, which could mean losing some of the staked tokens. Price volatility. The value of staked assets might change dramatically, which affects the stake's value. Cryptocurrencies are notorious for their volatility. Dependency on smart contracts. For liquid stacking and restacking, EigenLayer and Ethereum both rely on smart contracts. Should these contracts include weaknesses, they may be taken advantage of, resulting in a financial loss. Smart contract risk. There is a chance that defects or weaknesses in smart contracts may be exploited while using them for liquid stacking and restacking. Regulatory uncertainty. Regulations governing the cryptocurrency industry are always changing, and this might have an effect on the practicality or legality of some staking techniques. Dependency on third parties. Third-party platforms are frequently used in liquid staking, which adds another level of risk in the event of platform failure or exit scams. In conclusion, while restaking and liquid staking may have advantages like more earning potential and more liquidity, there are hazards involved that need to be carefully evaluated. It's critical that participants perform in-depth due diligence and comprehend the workings and the hazards associated with these investing techniques. Manage your assets with Keyring Pro Wallet. Two things you'll always need on your side when navigating the crypto world are knowledge and a trustworthy crypto wallet, regardless of how experienced you are or how new you are to it. That wallet is the Keyring Pro Wallet, made specifically for you, because of its intuitive interface and plenty of tools that support different on-chain crypto operations. Create wallet addresses for popular chains, including Solana, Avalanche, Polygon, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. Track the top coins being traded between chains. Within the app, you can quickly search for currencies and bridge swap tokens. Discover the fascinating uses for the Keyring Pro Wallet by giving it a try now. These consist of enabling consensus among participants, preserving network security, and verifying transactions. In conclusion, liquid stacking and restacking offer compelling advantages for DeFi participants, combining the benefits of staking with enhanced liquidity and automated reinvestment strategies. These innovations contribute to the maturation and democratization of DeFi ecosystems, empowering users to optimize their earning potential while maintaining flexibility and convenience. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment in the comment section below.